time ago, in a galaxy far... Wait. No, that's not right. A long time ago, in this very galaxy, there was a single star. Nothing made that star different from any other star. Just your usual boring star. But this was just 4.5 billion years ago. Now, we call this star the Sun. But back then, it was nothing. Just a star with space dust orbiting it. All of that space dust eventually decided to smash into each other, making space rocks. Then those rocks smashed into each other to make space boulders, then comets, then asteroids, then planetesimals, which are rocks not big enough to be a full planet, but too big to be an asteroid. Now, there is an object that would eventually be Earth orbiting the Sun. But its journey isn't done yet. Earth got pelted with millions of rocks, big and small, because the Earth had no atmosphere to protect it. All of these impacts were very hot. They caused the whole planet to heat up to around 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That heat made Earth's surface, which was supposed to be rock, melt into lava. Now, the entire planet was just a huge glowing ball of lava, with volcanoes everywhere spewing more lava. Then, something happened that would change the Earth's future drastically. A planet called Theia, which was about the size of Mars, crashed into Earth. If Theia had made a direct hit, the Earth would have been destroyed, but instead, Theia grazed the side of the Earth. Theia got destroyed, most of the pieces getting swallowed up by Earth. But then, many rocks from Theia got sent into orbit around the Earth, and eventually, all of those rocks combined to make our moon. Our moon's gravity affected the Earth, slowing it down from its quick spinning to make a more natural 24-hour day. Soon, all of the volcano ash clouds on Earth started to rise up high. After a few million years of the ash collecting high above the surface, our atmosphere was formed. That made many of the asteroids hitting Earth burn up in the atmosphere, never getting the chance to hit Earth. After the asteroids stopped, the Earth started to cool down, and eventually, the Earth became cold enough for the clouds in the sky to start to rain water. The rain kept falling for years since all of the ice on the asteroids that used to hit Earth evaporated into the sky to make rain clouds. It rained and rained and rained until oceans covered the entire planet. The planet stayed like that for a while until, for reasons unknown, a single-celled organism emerged from the depths of the ocean, the very first animal. Single-celled organisms have this ability called mitosis, which means they can multiply very quickly. After a few years of multiplying, there were billions of single-celled organisms swimming around in the ocean. Eventually, these organisms started to have more than one cell attached to them, making them multicellular organisms. Many of the multicellular organisms evolved into plants, and those plants started to convert the planet's carbon dioxide air into oxygen air. After many years of conversion, some single-celled organisms evolved to breathe the oxygen, and eventually evolved into fish. Then, the iconic event of history happened. That fish then had babies, then the babies had babies, then many generations passed, and dinosaurs evolved. While many believe that dinosaurs were reptiles, research shows that it is possible that dinosaurs were just big birds. During the age of the dinosaurs, there was a small, strange little creature that looked like a rat. If the creature tried to evolve any bigger than a rat, however, the dinosaurs would just stomp on them. But then, 65 million years ago, a meteor wiped out all of the dinosaurs and 90% of everything alive. One thing that didn't die, however, was that rat thing. It eventually evolved into an ancient ancestor of the ape, and into an early human, or a caveman. These cavemen discovered fire, then tools, then farming. After that, they invented government, towns, cities, and homes. Then the Industrial Revolution struck, causing them to make engines and machines. Then scientists started slowly, bit by bit, figuring out our past, and then I came here to tell you everything that they learned so far. This has been Event Horizon, Season 1, Episode 3, a whole bunch of crap that happened on Earth. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing for more episodes with easy answers for hard questions. And remember, no question is too stupid to be asked.